Okay, YouTube, if you damage your Ethernet cable, I have FIOS, I don't think it matters, but mine got damaged somehow and I had to splice an existing Ethernet cable, which is over here. I took this yellow cable and you can see there the existing gray cable coming in. So I peeled back the jacket on both cables and I used these push connectors that I'm going to show you now from Lowe's. They were $5. That's what you need. Lowe's has them. It's in the electrical aisle. It says 3-wire, but you could put 2 wires in each one like I did. And then you press down on the red cap with a pair of channel locks or dikes. And it clicks down and it makes the connection. So FIOS wanted to charge me a few $100s to send someone here to replace the whole wire that's running through my garage. And I did try buying the tool to crimp the regular Ethernet connector, and it was very difficult. I got all the wires lined up. There was like 8 or 10 wires that you have to line up perfectly and then crimp it, but it just didn't work. So a friend of mine recommended those, and that's what I did, and it worked great. So good luck.